Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a list of dates between start date and end date using DAX function. As you can see on my screen, I have this account table which has three columns: account name, start date and end date. So for this account A, we have the start date is 2nd December 2022 and the end date is 10 December 2022. Similarly, for B account, we have 21st January 2023 to 26th January 2023. And also for C, we have start date and the end date. So here our requirement is to generate a list of dates between start date and end date. So basically I want a column called date, which will have a list of dates between start date and end date for each account name. And these three rows should repeat those many times. So this is the requirement. So I have already made a video on this topic where I have solved this problem using Power Query. So if you want to solve it using Power Query, I will also give the link in the description so that you can watch the video after watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to solve this problem using DAX. What I want is, I want a date column right next to these three columns called date, which will have a list of dates between start date and end date. But we cannot create a calculated column to solve this problem. To achieve this requirement, we will have to make use of calculated table. So let's go ahead and create a calculated table. So I will click on this account table and then you can see the option called new table. So I will click on this new table. So here I will have to give the table name. So I will say account expanded. Next, I will have to give the table expression. So in the table expression, what I'm going to give is, I'm going to use generate. So generate function, basically, as you can see on the screen, it says the second table expression will be evaluated for each row in the first table. It returns the cross join to the first table with these results. What it does is, it provides the cross join result between the first table and the second table. So here in the table 1, I will give account. And in the table 2, I'm going to give a date list using calendar function. So it takes start date and end date. So in the calendar, I will give start date from this account table and end date from this account table. Let's close the bracket. What this calendar function will do is, it will create a list of dates between start date and end date. And after that, the list of dates will be cross-joined with the accounts table, giving us the required result. So if I click on enter, see, it has generated a list of dates. So if I check here, so account name A, the start date is 2nd December 2022 and end date is 10 December 2022. So this date for account A should be 2nd December to 10th December 2022. So if I see here, you can see 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. For this B category as well, you can see 21st January to 26th January. So it has returned 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Similarly for C, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it has generated a list of dates between start date and end date for each account. So that was all about this video. I hope you liked the video and have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new, don't forget to subscribe my channel to be updated with my videos. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.